Jesus, she doesn't have anyone here.
No, I have rent receipts right here, actually.
Right hallway.
November 6, 2024 location, Las Vegas, Nevada. Welfare check homicides investigation of Monique Gilbertson.
God damn. Jesus.
I'm so sorry. I was like, I just got a shower. Yeah, what's going on?
Yeah, we've been knocking.
Well, I rent this place.
What's your name?
My name's Jaslyn.
Where's Monique at?
Monique is I'm house sitting right now. She left town for a while.
Where is she? No, she didn't. Where is she?
No, she really did. I swear.
Okay, where is she?
I mean,
her car's here.
I know her car's here. She has me house sitting. I have I got my rent receipts.
You're not supposed to be here. Come outside.
Huh?
Come outside.
She doesn't have anyone here.
No, I have rent receipts right here, actually.
Okay, come outside.
Well, I'm
let's
not coming
talk.
outside right now. I have paperwork that I'm supposed to be here. Like, you know what I mean? And like,
Yeah, you need to come outside and show us that paperwork. Understand that I'm here to do a welfare check on the occupant of this resident. I am going to do that. You need to come out of that.
Well, she's not here right now, though.
You need to step outside right now. I am giving you a legal and lawful command. If you do not obey that command, I'm going to take you to jail and I'm going to charge you with it.
but I have
Step out of that door
Don't
right
go to the
now.
house.
no, excuse me. No, I have rights. I call my attorney then. Like,
Okay.
I have. First off, Monique's not here right now. I have the paperwork right
Okay.
here for. She had to go to her brother in the East Coast. So, you know what I mean? Like, she's not here right now. What do you want me to do about it?
Okay. Do you have a phone number we can contact her on?
I mean, like, I usually call her on her 505.
Okay, but what number did you get a phone call for?
I have to look at my.
I already called that number that you call her on.
Okay, well, I mean, I don't call her. She calls me generally
Okay.
every couple days. But
Come
like,
outside and talk.
I've been here since September.
Okay, that's great. Come
You
outside.
know what I mean? Huh?
Come outside.
Well, no, because I don't trust you guys. I don't really trust the situation right now. You know?
You need to step outside right now.
Well, what have I done wrong?
Okay, I am here to check the welfare because we have concern for the safety of the lady who lives here.
Okay.
That is not you. You need to step out so I can check the welfare in this house.
I'm a resident here, though.
It
Okay,
doesn't matter. Is
step
there
out
anybody
right
else
now.
out? Is there anybody else inside with you?
Yeah, like my wife is here as well.
Okay, you and her need to step out.
Okay, but like, what are we doing wrong?
You're not doing anything wrong other than you are not obeying lawful commands from police officers to step outside.
Listen, we're just trying to get in touch with Monique because we came here to check her safety because no one's heard from her.
You can step out.
Okay, well, I mean, like, let me go like let my wife know what's going on. You know what I mean? And then just give me a minute. But I still don't see what the problem is. But yeah, just give me a minute, okay?
Yeah, the problem is that you're super suspicious being here, and we have no idea where Monique is. That's the problem.
Yeah, but they've known I've been here.
Okay. No one knows that though. The front office doesn't know that. Nobody knows that.
Yeah, she told several people that she talks to this one guy regularly. She told him that I was here.
All the security people here, the front office, the HOA, none of them has any record of you being here. All they know is
Because I'm 155.
okay. Listen, all they know is Monique is always here, always in contact with the front office. Contacts them like 3 times a day. They said they haven't heard from her since the 22nd. Her car's sitting out front. It's got some like a dude's hat and some rope in it, and she never leaves without her dogs, according to the front office.
She's like let me. I'm house sitting and everything for her right now. You know what I mean? I've known her for a few months, but I've known her for longer than that. But I've been staying here for a few months. You know what I mean? So, and then like she told me like she wanted me to house the shit to take care of an emergency. You know what I mean? I can't control that. I don't know the whole everything. You know what I mean? I'm just telling you what I was told.
Okay, so if that's the case, then why won't you let us in to make sure she's not here?
I mean, you can. Yeah, but here's the thing. Like, I mean, like, I don't want you guys trying to do anything to me.
No, I want to go inside so I can confirm Monique's whereabouts. Yeah. Call your wife, like, hey, come out right now.
Okay.
You guys step outside, and then I'm gonna have a couple officers come inside to clear it, okay? Call her from right there.
Well, how come we have to stay outside?
Call her out.
Call her out from right there.
Okay, well, give me 1 second.
Call her out.
Hey, give me a second, please. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
She was in the shower last time I checked. Can I go check on her real quick?
Call her out.
I just tried to call her. She did. Like,
No, you didn't. You
Call louder.
You barely
Hey.
said anything.
Okay. Hey. What's up? They want to come to the welfare.
An investigation to find Monique. So if you and your girlfriend could step out front, maybe provide my partner with the information.
I don't know if I can for sure reach her right now because I wasn't able to reach her yesterday.
Okay, but at least provide us with a phone number to reach you on, so we can at least talk to a family member down there or something to confirm her whereabouts.
I mean, that's something I can't promise you're gonna be able to do that because I can't get a hold of her.
But we would like to try it. Is that okay with you?
I mean, like, but what if you don't get a hold of her? That's my thing.
That's not what we're worried about. Okay, all we're trying to do is get a hold of her. Okay, does that work?
I mean, like, here's my only thing. Like, if you guys can't get a hold of her today, are you guys gonna try and mess with me? I mean, I have like a legal rights to be here.
We're not gonna try and mess with you. Okay, we just want to make sure she's okay. That's all.
I'm afraid to come outside because what your partner says.
No, that's not. Listen to me, okay? Listen to what I say. We're here to make sure she's okay. We're not trying to jam you up. The more you cooperate, the easier it's going to be for us and the quicker we can be done with this. Can you please step outside? We're not going to put you in handcuffs. We're just going to have you sit out here and try and give us some information so we can get a better understanding of where Monique is and why she's all of a sudden gone missing.
Okay.
Okay?
Well, that's fine. It's just like I'm just nervous because
I understand you're nervous, but can you please open the door?
I mean, like, you guys... I just don't know what to do right now because,
open the door, please.
Okay, so can we stay in the residence?
No, just stand right here. Just stand right here on the balcony, okay?
Well, if I come outside, then you guys have like the legal right to like.
No, we don't.
We don't. There still is no legal right. We have as much legal right now as we do.
So you're confused. You think we're here because we care about you. I don't care about you. I care about Monique and trying to get a hold of Monique. It's weird that you are being very defensive about this.
No, I'm just scared because
I understand.
Because the threat your partner made to me.
I understand. My partner didn't threaten you. It's weird that you're being defensive about this. That is suspicious because normal people open the door and they just go, so yeah, get your dogs and secure them and you bring them outside. Do you have leashes for them?
I don't know where she has all kinds of neck collars, but I don't know. They don't run. She don't take them on.
They're in a room?
No, they're in the cage.
Cage, okay.
Yes, they're in the cage.
Okay. Okay, good. Go my partner.
Hello.
Come on, partner. Go over there. Big upper room, the right looks like a hallway to the left. I'll clear this right if you want to hold the hallway to the left.
At legal threshold. The Fourth Amendment's emergency aid exception permits warrantless entry when there is an objectively reasonable basis to believe an occupant is in danger. The subjective intent of officers is irrelevant as long as the circumstances justify emergency entry to render aid, not commands. Under police power, officers may issue mandatory exit orders to occupants during a welfare check to ensure the safety of missing or vulnerable residents, not obstruction analysis. Refusal to comply with exigent entry commands can constitute a violation of state statutes regarding the obstruction of a public officer's duties.
Okay. Jeez. I don't smell anything. Smells like they were burning something in here.
Why do they have like all these fucking like small like foam things? You know what I mean?
Yeah, well, I really wonder what happened to the fucking.
Is that blood?
No, I think that's shit.
What is this?
The freezer?
Yep.
Where's it locked at? It's right here. I think.
Yeah, what's got the key on it? Is it a Allen thing?
It's like an Allen key.
Dude,
If there's a body in here, dude.
I swear to God.
Is this thing even on?
Huh?
Yeah, it's on. It's running.
He's freaking out, so we can't open it. He's freaking out.
Oh. You got a whiff. There's something in there.
Keep it down because he's like right outside.
There's a person in here. She talks to the front office like 3 times a day. They haven't heard from her since the 22nd. She never leaves without her dog, who's sitting right here. Nobody else lives here. Her vehicle's sitting here. We hop the wall to look at the vehicle. The vehicle had a male's hat and some rope in it. I figured they wouldn't want medical because they don't want anyone else probably touching. And I'm no expert, but
He was a real big-hearted person. She didn't really have any family. She was lonely. She was vulnerable. She had this cute little dog that she took with her everywhere she went. And it was very easy for people to come and talk to her because the cute little dog. And she could easily be taken advantage of. I'd seen it many times. I told her many times, you know, don't give these friendly people too much information. And, well, she wouldn't listen, but she was...
Scope of exigency. A warrantless search is legally restricted to areas where a person may be found. The presence of a locked freezer provides a specific nexus for finding a missing person. Case law, Michigan v. Fisher, 2009. Officers do not require ironclad proof of injury, only a reasonable belief that medical or safety intervention is necessary. Incriminating evidence observed while officers are lawfully on the premises under emergency aid may be seized without a secondary warrant. Stavi citation. 200.010 open murder. NRS 200.5099 enhanced sentencing for crimes against vulnerable or elderly persons. To maintain qualified immunity under 42 U.S.C. 1983, officers must clearly articulate the specific and pointable facts that justified the initial entry. To professional stirred. This case reinforces the community caretaking function where public safety necessity overrides the typical requirement for judicial oversight.